Hello everyone, myself Arya. Here I am going to present my seminar topic on laser scanning technology in civil engineering construction project, guided by Mr. Alex Tarun, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil, Trinity College of Engineering. These are the overviews, which include by this topic, introduction, scope and objectives, literature review, characteristics, laser scanning, working, point clouding, modeling, application, advantages and disadvantages, conclusion, reference. By this topic. As we all know that there are so many practical problems in civil engineering sector during measuring and modeling of a structure. For the purpose of solving these problems, there is a need for measuring and modeling of measured data as much as possible real display of spatial surroundings. 3D laser scanning creates endless opportunities which rapidly collect huge amount of data in very short time. Introduction. Laser scanning technology is a quicker process that provides the data more accurate and cheaper than other conventional survey measurements. It is mainly used for 3D modeling of any structure, dam monitoring, etc. Scope. The main scope of this method is that it ensures fast and accurate data whenever required, and also to increase the speed and accuracy of plans, elevations, profiles, and volume area calculations. It acts as a valuable tool to reduce the construction cost. It is also used in construction manufacturing plants, airports, hospitals, bridges, etc. Objective. The main objective is that to reveal the application of laser scanning technology in civil engineering construction project and to reveal the benefit of using laser scanning technology and also to show the simple working of a laser scanner. These are the literature reviews. Characteristics. The main characteristics is that it provides full field view and detailed 3D positioning of a structure can be made using this technique. It is an advanced timing technology, accurate enough up to 2 mm resolution and long range up to about 300 meters with good reflective surfaces. Laser scanning. The main component of laser scanning are laser unit, ranging unit, rotating unit and control and recording unit. Scanner specifications. These are the scanner specifications. Speed about 990,000 points per second. It contains 360-degree field view. Weight ranges from 13 kg to 15 kg. 340 mm deep and 270 mm wide, and it requires electric power to operate. How is 3D laser scanning used on site? First step is setup of laser scanner. The laser scanner is set up on the tripod. Then the skilled operator will control the scanner so that it gathers data around the surrounding area. Construction professionals can use the scanner to gather data about a construction site, existing structure or a developing project. In some cases, handless laser scanners and scanners attached to drone are also used. Next, target the structure. On-site activities were divided into two major parts. The first one was to stabilize the reference point and measure in accordance with the national coordinate system. The second part directly related to the subject of measurement was to capture 3D facility equipment by the use of terrestrial laser scanners. Working of laser scanner. In laser scanning process, the laser scanner will collect millions of individual measurements using laser light. That means the laser scanner will emit continuous laser beam. The laser light will hit on an object and bounce back to the scanner. The sensor then calculates how far away the surface is by measuring the time taken for the laser beam to complete its journey. This process is known as time of flight measurement. Here, the scanner will automatically rotate around its vertical axis and the reflecting mirror will move up and down. Thus, the laser beam will cover whole area. Along with covering the whole area, the distance from each point to the scanner will be recorded. Each point can be recorded corresponding to horizontal angle of rotating laser and vertical angle of moving mirror. Thus, we get millions of 3D coordinates. By moving the equipment to various positions, an entire site can be scanned in 3D. The scanner will capture around 976,000 points per second. This table shows the laser scanner parameters. For Leica C10, range 1 to 500 meter, maximum measured speed 50,000 points per second, field view vertical by horizontal is 270 by 360 and ranging error 4 mm. For Ferrofocus X130, range 0.6 to 130 meter, maximum measured speed 976,000 points per second, field view 300 by 360 and ranging error 4 mm. For Z plus F500C, range 0.3 to 187 meter, maximum measured speed 10,16,000 points per second, field view 320 by 360 and ranging error 1 mm. For Rigel VZ400, range 1.5 to 600 meter, maximum measured speed 122,000 points per second, field view 100 by 360 and ranging error 1 mm. Point clouding. While considering a structure, we get millions of 3D coordinate points. Collection of all these points in a structure is called point clouding. Modeling. 3D modeling can be simply defined as the process of creating three-dimensional digital visual representation of an actual object using special computer softwares. 3D modeling enables the architects and designers to be more creative and experimental. It can be done with the help of various kinds of softwares. 3D models are mainly created by using BIM processing softwares. BIM has been part of construction industries, which is an intelligent model-based process helping in designing building and managing building and infrastructure. This figure shows the 3D laser scanning construction of bridge. Here, this figure shows the 3D laser scanning construction industry. And here, this figure shows the complete model of a structure. Laser scanning technology for railway and track survey. Here, the first step is setting of laser scanner. The laser scanner is mounted on a rail vehicle. The operator will move this rail vehicle over the rail. The laser scanner will capture all the data by emitting laser beam. Thus, the profile of alignment of the rail is recorded. It also captures the obstacle in nearby track. Thus, maintenance of track is also carried out. Other applications for laser scanning technology are deformation monitoring, distance measurement, determine building maintenance requirement, helps in determination of earthquake quantities, and also used in measured bed chambers. Advantages. The main advantages are it record and measure all the visible data in a structure. It is very accurate, especially over long distance compared to other tools. It cut time on site, allowing the site to be fully documented with a few days or weeks using conventional methods. The entire space can be captured and modeled, eliminating the need for expensive return trips. Next one is safety. The overhead measurements are safely performed from the floor. With the benefit of better accuracy, completeness of data, and less time spent on site, the laser scanning can improve customers' margin. Disadvantages. One of the main disadvantages is vegetation. When scanning outside, vegetation like trees act as a major obstacle. Power stability is an issue for continuous usage, and weather must be also considered for outside scan. Conclusion. Let me conclude my topic that possibilities of laser scanning in civil engineering sector is limitless. It helps to obtain full model of a structure with more accurately and faster than other method. It is one of the reliable technology that provide complete information about the shape of the structure and allow to perform the analysis in any place and reduce the amount of stored data. These are the references. Thank you.